today I'm filming at the front of my house because the lighting is actually decent, except I'm seeing like a lot of dust flying around, so I'm sorry if that's on camera. I'm also probably gonna keep looking this way because my front door is right here and I'm like kind of stressed out that this mailman or like post office people are gonna like come right here and I'm gonna be like, hey, this is really awkward. You can see me with a camera in front of my face. Today I'm doing a little haul. I went a little crazy. Not a little, like a lot. I don't know. I can't even explain it. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna start with Sephora. So I haven't done a Sephora like haul shop in a hot minute. Like it's been a while and I'm going back to work now, and I bought this like probably like a week ago when I'm in Ontario and we weren't open, like we were still in lockdown, and then they were like, okay, we're gonna open. I bought a lot of like hair care, skincare, not really like makeup, and now I'm like, oh, I should have bought that. So the first thing I got is this beauty blender, Besties, but it's not actually for me, it's for my mom. She wanted a new beauty blender and I was like, okay, well I'm gonna do an order anyways. I think it's so like awesome. It comes with a little bag and the baggie has like holes in it, which is great. It comes with a physical cleaner, like the Beauty Blender Company, like solid, and then a silicone scrub mat. So I used it to clean all my brushes yesterday and it was amazing, and I guess you can use it on your beauty blender as well. So it was great. It's also the exact same price as a normal beauty blender, so like why not get the whole shebang, you know? The next thing I got was the Ordinary Hair Care, the multi-peptide serum for hair density. I saw it on TikTok and then I was reading the reviews and the reviews are really good. And I'm not really like, I have like a lot of hair, but I feel like I'm seeing like thinning like here, and I just like, well obviously who doesn't want a full head of hair? So that's kind of why, and I don't know if it's gonna work. I used it last night and honestly I don't really have a lot of volume, and I feel like my hair is more voluminous, oh my god, what? Voluminous today. Like it just like has a little bit more like grit. A hairdresser once said that I have thin hair but I have a lot of it, so it like falls really straight and it's really hard to keep like any like form or anything. So I mean, so far so good. The next thing I got, which reminds me I haven't used it yet, but I'm excited to try it out. I got the Ordinary 100% organic cold press rose hip seed oil. I've been doing what is that called? The gua sha? I don't know if I'm saying that right, I'm sorry. I've been using that. I just got that off Amazon, and I was finding that I didn't really have any oils or like anything that was like very like slippery is kind of what you need to like really make it effective. So I heard good things about this and also had good reviews. So it says it's a hydrator and oil, so I hope it doesn't really like dry into my skin too much. The next thing I got this because it was on sale. It's the Sephora Colorful Wink Felt Liner, and it's waterproof, but it's in like, I don't know, oh, baby blue, which is, you're gonna see in the rest of my haul, is my favorite color. Could be a disaster. I don't really love when I wear winged eyeliner, but I thought it could be fun for like just like a picture, and it was like $4, so I feel like it was a good deal. And it's good for like Halloween if we ever have Halloween again. The next thing I got, I used it this morning on my brows, was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in, I did medium brown. So I had this, I mean, I think everyone had it like a few years ago. And then for a little bit, I was filling in my brows with, it was like a matte eyeshadow I was using. And I've tried like the spoolies, the Glossier one that has like dye in it, but it just like didn't work well with my eyebrows. I just wanted to stick with my Anastasia. But I haven't used it in a few years, and I used it today. It feels like it's pretty good. It's a little dry though. I don't know if other people find that. This is another thing I got my mom. It's a Sephora liquid eyeshadow, but honestly I kind of want to open it up because I kind of wanted to try it myself. Okay, so it like looks pretty dark, but then obviously this is not my forte. I thought it could be nice because she like doesn't, she's like not into like full palettes, and I don't know, we were kind of like experimenting. I was like, honestly, let's try this and see how it goes, and then if not, I'll take it or we'll do whatever with it. And then I thought I'd just like go over my samples because I love samples and I'm excited to try everything. So I got the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut, this little guy. And this is a huge sample, so I'm really heavily impressed, but looks good, smells good. I'm excited to try. The Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray, a conditioning detangling spray. My hair is like too thin that it doesn't like, I wish it was more gritty with itself. So I don't know if I'll use this like a lot, but you know, it's only a baby. I also got the Amica Soul Food. My friend Rian, link below. She said it was really good. So I got a little sample. And then I also got the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. I used like my points on this because I never use my points. And then I was like, honestly, they're just gonna sit there. So little guy. I got the Say, which I'm really excited about. I've heard good things. It's like their highlighter. Yeah, I'm excited to see that. I also got the Virtue Exfoliant Scalp Treatment. So the same, that smells really nice. Another scalp, another hair thing. This guy, the Peter Thomas Roth masking minis. It was like $25 Canadian. And I was like looking into other minis and I just like didn't want to spend like $30 when like you can get the bigger one, but the bigger one's like so expensive, but it's so much more product. I tried the green one, the blue one and the black one, and like it was not, they were not good. I know for sure the pumpkin one apparently is really good. And I was kind of excited to try the 24 karat gold mask. I don't know if it's gonna look cute, but overall, so far I'm not really loving it. The last thing I got from Sephora, which I don't have in here because I've been using it the past 2 nights, is the Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask in Vanilla. So far, so good. I actually like wake up and my lips are like really plump. And I had it on before this. I just put it over top of a lip liner. It already came off, but I like it so far. So that is my little Sephora portion. And next part of my haul is my Aritzia haul, which I love. I love. To start, I got this cute little white top that I'm actually wearing. It's the Sunday Best. I don't remember the name. The next thing I got is this little Group by Babaton Alpine top. All this stuff is pretty new, so it should be online. This little Alpine top, so it has a zipper and it's kind of like in like a bathing suit material. I thought it could be kind of cute to style with like a blazer, or I don't know. I don't know. It could be a disaster. I haven't really tried it on yet. Okay, the next thing I got are TNA Butter Atmosphere shorts, you know, just like the best things ever. I got this color, is like, what is it called? Quicksilver Blue. And these are the 5-inch shorts. I prefer the 5-inch over the 7-inch personally because I, like my thighs, I swear are like shorter, or my calves. I don't know, my legs are just like kind of like an awkward length, honestly. I find I look shorter in the 7-inch, and if I like roll them up, like it just like gets like too bulky. So for me, the 5-inch like still covers my butt and like is still like a good length. I don't really wear them out per se unless I'm wearing like a big baggy like sweater or shirt, but I do work out in them a lot, and I love wearing them underneath my dresses when I go to work. Next thing I got was these TNA Core 7/8 leggings. They're high rise, and so this material I haven't tried before. It's not like a full workout material. Like definitely, I think if I sweat in this while working out, it will be noticeable. And I know they came out with them in the butter, so I might get the butter in this color, because like this color. Should I not wear my matching eyeliner with my leggings and just wait till you see what else I got? Next thing I got, this little guy. Can't stop, won't stop with this blue. I love this blue. So this is the Sunday Best Shirley Seamless little tank. And it's pretty stretchy, really, really cute. Okay, so the next thing I got are these TNA Calf Perfect high-rise shorts. These are the, I think these are the 3-inch, maybe 5-inch. I thought this would be really cute with this little matching guy. So this is the, I think the 90s Bergman TNA little tank. And these are like the same color, cute little number. Yeah, I'm obsessed with these little shorts. The next thing I got is the Wilfred Santorini cardigan. So I got this one in a medium. The older styles were fitting smaller the last time I had tried it on, but this is a little too big, so I think I'm gonna have to exchange it for the small. The next thing I got is this little Babaton number. It is the Rory. I love that name. I love Rory from Gilmore Girls. It's high neck, cropped. It's like in that classic Babaton material, so I'm just obsessed. The next thing I got are these. These are the exact same shorts as the ones I just showed, but in tie-dye, because like fun. The next thing I got are the best sweatpants in the world, the TNA Mega sweatpants in sky blue. This is my color. I love this color. I love these sweatpants. These are my favorite TNA fitting sweatpants. They're kind of like a boy sweatpant. The second last almost thing I got, I'm obsessed with it. This gorgeous TNA jacket. It is called the Turner. It's like, has like that, it's faux shearling on the inside. It's white. It's come out in like different colors before, but white for me is just like perfect. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. It's so big and warm. And the last thing I got, which I think I'm going to return. I don't know, I'm like not obsessed with it. It's the Mega sweater TNA in black. So I wanted like just like a black sweater, and I wanted it to be like really like structured, and I find that the hood is just like droopy. It's like it's not working. It also like goes tight at the bottom, and that's just like not the cutest on my body type, because it kind of like cuts me off. Like I either need it to be like wide or it be cropped like up higher. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully I'll see you guys really, really soon.